Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Fiona Loan Marketplace Review My Usage Experience. Fiona Loan Marketplace Review My Usage Experience offers a platform to compare loan offers from various lenders. Its main purpose is to help users find the best personal loan options based on their individual needs and creditworthiness. Key features likely include loan comparison tools, eligibility checks, and potentially pre-qualification options. Their website provides details on the specific lenders they work with and their offerings. Their website emphasizes ease of use and transparency. They claim to offer a simple, streamlined process for comparing loan terms, highlighting APRs, fees, and repayment periods. They advertise no hidden fees, though individual lender fees may still apply. Availability is nationwide, based on lender participation. You can check your eligibility by simply visiting their website and providing some basic information. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Fiona Loan Marketplace Review My Usage Experience. I needed a personal loan to consolidate some debt, and Fiona was recommended to me. Getting started was incredibly easy. I simply created an account, answering a few basic questions about my financial situation. The interface was intuitive and clean. I especially liked the way they visually presented different loan offers, using clear charts and graphs to compare APRs and monthly payments. The process was surprisingly quick. I had several loan offers within minutes. The quality of the results was good, offering a range of loan options from different lenders, allowing me to compare and choose the one that best suited my needs. I did have a quick question about one of the lenders listed, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, very efficient. One minor drawback was that some of the lender details were a little light on specifics, requiring me to visit each lender's website to check the fine print. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Fiona. It helped me save time and find a loan that worked for my budget. The standout feature for me was definitely the clear and concise comparison tools. That's my overview of Fiona Loan Marketplace Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.